today, marching in a busy way. Step by step, it didn't stop. Over leaves and to the top. Little Ed, you're strong and small. Working hard, you do it all. Lifting crumbs, so brave and bright. Morning, noon, and into night. Through the garden, down the lane, under sun and in the rain. With your friends, you never fear, helping out and full of cheer. Tiny feet, a giant heart. Every day you play your part. We can learn from ants, it's true. Kind and brave in all they do. So when you see one marching by,